From Zero to Rich. Sarah's journey with affiliate marketing. Hey everyone, I'm George. Welcome back to the COPYWRITIng YouTube TV. Today, we have an inspiring story to share with you about how one Sarah turned her life around using affiliate marketing. I'm talking about Sarah, who went from zero to rich through her dedication and strategic approach. Let's dive into her incredible journey. Hi, I'm Sarah. A few years ago, I was stuck in a job that didn't fulfill me, and financially things were tough. I knew I needed a change. That's when I stumbled upon affiliate marketing. It seemed like a promising way to earn passive income. I decided to give it a shot, and little did I know, it would change my life. Learning the basics was crucial. I spent hours educating myself about the industry, understanding how it works, and identifying potential niches. I created my first affiliate website, focusing on a niche I was passionate about. It wasn't easy, but I was determined to make it work. The beginning was tough. I wasn't seeing the results I expected, and doubts started creeping in. But I knew success wouldn't happen overnight. I started analyzing my strategies, figuring out what worked and what didn't. It was a trial and error process, but with each setback, I learned something new. And then, it happened. I made my first significant affiliate sale. The feeling was indescribable. It was proof that my hard work and perseverance were paying off. From that point on, Sarah's income started to grow exponentially. With a taste of success, I decided to scale up my efforts. I hired freelancers to help with content creation and explored new niches to diversify my income streams. Actually, Sarah's affiliate dashboard was a testament to her diversified income sources, ranging from product reviews to educational content. According to Sarah, in her words, affiliate marketing gave me the financial freedom I had always dreamed of. I could travel, invest, and even bought my dream house. It's incredible how things can change when you find the right path. If you're thinking about getting into affiliate marketing, my advice is to stay persistent. Learn from your mistakes, adapt your strategies, and don't be afraid to take risks. And there you have it, Sarah's inspiring journey from zero to rich with affiliate marketing. If her story has motivated you, click the affiliate links in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. Who knows, you might be the next success story we will feature on the COPYWRITIng YouTube television. Thanks for watching, and remember, your success story could be just around the corner. Do click links in the description below to enroll for affiliate marketing program on the COPYWRITIng's website. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay inspired. Bye for now.